Welcome back to BJRS Official. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing from the last earning video that I made, like the video that I talked about how to perform tasks on FortuneX. Disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose and the earning shown on this video are varies based on personal effort. You are expected to make your own personal research before you opt in. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. So from the first video I made, I showed us how to earn from the YouTube music. I showed us how to earn on Netflix, Fortune Box, and how to claim these earnings, and also how to earn on music. So on this particular video that you are watching right now, I'm going to be showing you the few ones that I skipped, which is the comedy, how to earn on the comedy, and few other stuff that was left, including the TikTok and others. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So we are starting with the comedy, how you can actually earn money on this particular place. So don't forget, for you to get here, all you have to do when you are on your dashboard like this, you just have to click on this icon, which is this particular one. So you just follow the same steps that you used on the previous video, then you click on earn. After you click on earn, now scroll down to, okay, we are looking at the comedy right now. Just click on comedy. So just like that, for you to play this particular movie from beginning to the end, just allow it to play from beginning to the end, and automatically you are going to earn from it. You just have to click on tab as usual for you to claim your earnings for watching that particular movie. So you just head over and click on claim, understand, and as usual it's going to redirect you. So just go back like this. So after you go back, you see that you've already earned, you see that it shows done, meaning that you've already earned this $0.50. So that's how to earn by watching the comedy movie on FortuneX. Now let's go to another one. Just click on back. So after you get to back, let me see if we have something on the K drama or Prime Video. Okay, currently there is no video available on the K drama, so we just need to check back later if you have, or whenever you see any movie right there, then you repeat the same process and you earn from it. Prime Video, there is no movie on Prime Video currently right now, so you just do the same thing. Whenever you come here and you see movie, you just have to watch it. Either you watch the movie or you rate the movie, so it will be either of those two. Then let's go to which other, okay, the time earning, understand, just the same thing. Okay, this, the time earning is the fortune box. We've already earned from this one. This one is the same thing as this particular one right here, which is the one that gave you the $3. So that's just the same thing. That one is called the time earning. So the last thing that is remaining or that is left is the YouTube, I mean the TikTok live. So for you to earn on this particular feature, this is what you have to do. You just click on TikTok. So after you click on TikTok, you have to check the instructions given by the platforms. So it says go live on TikTok, start a live stream on your TikTok account, take a screenshot, capture a screenshot showing your live stream, upload the screenshot below for verification, wait for approval. This is the most important place. It says your TikTok profile URL, understand. So when you go live on TikTok, you just screenshot it. You know, I know a lot of people don't know how to go live on TikTok or doesn't want to show themselves on camera. So this one is, if you choose to do that, then you can go for it. So after that, you just copy your TikTok profile link and you paste it right here. You go live, then you copy, you take the screenshot just like they said. So this one is already here. So if your video is approved, you are going to earn $28. Understand? So it's not just anyhow video that will be approved. You make it very well, you go live, then you do it very well. So they may approve it or they may not approve it. So there is no guarantee on this one. It depends on the requirement that the management needs or the platform needs. Understand? So this one is not guaranteed. It's not everybody that can actually earn from this particular feature. So I believe you have now, or I believe you are able to carry out the whole task that is available on this platform. So if you found this particular video helpful, don't hesitate to share this video to your friends, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next video. Bye.